Hot and saucy, Dan Boss. All right. No, listen. Dan Boss full of sauce, you know. Whole of sauce here, and they have one whole of pot of sauce around there, I swear. Good evening to people. If you just joined us, welcome to the show. This is the Upnlive show. We do this each and every Tuesday right here on TGM Radio. Remember, the show is sponsored by...
Shush Prince in. And it's produced by World Mag Entertainment. So, people, that's what me.
Simple, all right? People, we have a special guest this evening. Some say he's a bit immature at times. Some say he don't really have no manners. Some say he's a good resident of Kingston, Spanish Town more precisely. He has a prominent radio show. It's called Madness Mondays. He has quite a few different logos for the show. I don't know where it's going.
Yeah, and remember Madness Mondays have a few branch off as well. Remember them do the Madness Monday bus ride, you know?
Yeah.
If you can't manage a bus ride, don't go panic because they might left a London bridge in the water. So please, Madness Monday, the maddest bus ride in London. I swear to God.
Simple. People, Forensic Juvenile is here. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Welcome. You not sure? I will say that though. All-Star said that though.
Yeah.
An All-Star must say that.
People, Juvenile, one of the friends of the show from day one, from till now, and he's here. And you know, him have lots of history in the business. He's been here in the UK for quite some while now. We just want to find out a little bit about Juvenile other than Forensic Sound. Because the Forensic Sound are the mix-up and the people, the persona what people like. But behind the persona there is Denver. Yeah?
Them name there.
I see your name?
The man a good name. Man good name to hold on. Man good name it, man. You don't want to be name.
Introduce yourself for us and let us know about you as a person rather than the image you portray.
Why the image of me, you know. I don't betray the image.
Now introduce yourself properly. Like, my name is Denver.
Present.
I got too hard, man.
My name is Roy.
Roy is a boy.
The same one.
Yeah.
All right. Born and bred Kingston, but you know, I grew up in Spanish Town.
Yeah.
Denver, name 81 date of birth. 01 get a bus come to England.
You came to England
And a boss, you know.
on a bus.
It's a little bus.
You get a little opportunity.
Get an opportunity. Get a bus, and I'm here.
And you've been here how long now?
Well, I think this one, I don't even know. I stop count
So
after a
it's
year.
20...
No, there is 2019.
19 year, yeah.
Oh, easy, man.
19.
I mean, can't count, yeah.
So 19, started playing with music, background accountancy.
Yeah.
Got a few little educational stuff.
Run on one part.
Run on one part.
Yeah.
So, but majored in accountancy. So I'm an accountant by trade. If it comes down to it, I'm an accountant.
Yeah.
Did a bit of tutoring. You know
The reason why we
that's
started
the
that way,
situation. Yeah.
we just wanted to try to paint a picture to for people who's listening and who don't really know you, because we know the history and we know where you've been, and I know me personally know
You know the
everything
history, me never know nothing.
All right, just it's safe to say that DJ
There you
Anna
go.
Croft.
Alright.
Yeah.
It's safe to say is like, you know, before the music thing in the UK, we had aspirations to be an accountant. So we worked along the lines until 01 came into the UK, and
the rest is history.
the rest is history.
Okay, you started doing the music. You were very prolific in the dancers. You were on Mystic Radio, and
Still on
Still on Mystic.
Yeah, still on Mystic, but started at SLR, the SLR
Supreme Radio
Give me 1 2 to 4
in the morning.
Never
Never
like it.
What time in the DR
That
morning?
night, yeah, never.
2 to 4.
2 to 4, and me and my friend DJ Crusher, 2 to 4. Never like it. 3 o'clock, me drop asleep. Never like it. Then DJ Kirk linked me. Them time I work at Peppers and Spice.
Yeah.
Link me and say, found a Mystic. Me never ready for Mystic yet. Got SLR.
You go
SLR with Cowboy them.
Yeah.
But them never like youngsters.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
they
they
don't
never
like
really like
no.
You
youngsters.
like young talent.
No, them just don't like youngsters.
Oh, okay.
Cause them say we have play different kind of music and bass something. So
It's not really, if you know SLR is a kind of a bit more reserved.
yeah. So
that way.
been with SLR them for a minute, then DJ Kirk see me and say, Juvie, you know, say either you to come on a Mystic. Them time that
Who's that DJ Kirk? That's Kurt Breezy, right?
Kurt Breezy.
Big
Kurt
up
Breezy.
Kurt
Kurt Breezy are one of the first one that carry me.
We have a conversation the other night. And
Yep.
he's one of the one who bring a lot of people to Mystic. So
Yeah, man.
pick up the Kurt Breezy.
I think he's the first. Remember, if you know Mystic Radio history, grime, garage, DJ Kirk are the first dancehall DJ.
So we always say, because you know him cuss me out good, and you know we have to put respect on him name. Kirk, apologies, because you know, remember me just come in, I mean, no history, no dog, so pick up yourself, you don't know. Yeah.
I'm the first man came in at the club as well. Like,
Yeah.
I'm dancing on occasions.
Yeah.
Go play music. Whole heap of respect for that youth still. Me and him don't agree, but whole heap of respect. Yeah, that's
But
it.
like often you are, this is leads me to the next question. Why you have so many differences with like other individual DJs and
You know, so me not really have no whole heap of difference.
because
Me talk to everybody. But I know everybody can angle the truth, and everybody can, if you say something, me and one youth, me I get to youth, born and bred. If me not like it today, me not like it tomorrow. If me not like it today, me not gonna like it today. If you say something and it offend me, I gonna tell you. That's some mistake.
That's
So
how it should be, innit?
enough of them money have some girl feelings nowadays. Them too thin skinned, and you say nothing, everybody offended. Man and no man no more. So enough of the selector them all wrapped up in our emotions. It's just like a man say, me are the baddest thing alive. Yeah, boy, they had this me. The man never say nothing about you.
Yeah.
But maybe he feel offended because he's regarding himself as one of the main players or the main player, and then you saying that. No, it's just like being in a Carter situation. One I say my dance, king of the dancer. And
But
then,
that's vice versa, innit? Because if I consider myself as the baddest, you consider yourself as the baddest. If you get offended when I say it, I should get offended when you say it as well.
No, but why would I get offended?
But
Yeah.
that's why I'm saying why we're getting offended. That's your opinion. Everybody entitled to one.
True.
Yeah, every selector good. If them want to come here and come say something else that I feel them business, me and them not have no problem.
all right, you've seen the good and the bad and every different scene in the dancer. You've seen how it changed over the years. What is the most significant change for you that you've seen happen for the dancer scene?
Money pull up.
Money put.
Elaborate. Tell me about
Yeah.
it.
No, like, you know, people not juggle again for
Make the
entertain
party
the crowd.
nice.
People just juggle nowadays to get some money, and people juggle for big up a
So
man.
would you say that isn't the exciting? Isn't money pull up to me is exciting as well? So
It's exciting because when me I get it, it's nice. It's nice. We talk about the real, we talk real. It's nice. It's nice when money I run and you are play and a man forward out of here. I say, boy, a two base me alone, me that I get tonight or a one end, but him come out and yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It give a little buzz to your career.
Yeah.
But it also change how you play.
okay.
Because you're going to end of the party now, you're going to play the top song them because the man them
Money
over there,
pull
so the money pull up song them. So it does kind of change you. How you, all right, you're going to start around, but you're going to play anyway. Then you're going to play couple of the six them. Then you're going to play showboat. And, you know, so it does kind of change your mind because at the end of the day, you're thinking like, you know, I want a thing tonight, you know, rent have to pay this weekend, you know.
Yeah.
So it all boils down to that. So that, because nothing has not changed. From me coming here, nothing has not changed.
What you think should be done about the money pull up? Should it continue or does it need management or is it all right how it's going? Talk truth, and you say union juvenile and talk truth.
They want
you
the
know.
rough, you know.
It's not really rough enough. If somebody want to give you some money, pull up, all the money you have had.
No,
Yeah,
hold
but
on, hold on.
that's not really the question Rick really asking. What it's asking is, should the situation change where the DJ should play to really make the party nice and everybody enjoy themselves, or should it continue as a man who just play, forget the money pull up?
But everybody do what they want to do. You just have to do what you want to do. You can't try for, there's not a governing body to say this is what DJ should or shouldn't do. Each is a male dominant like business, so it's filled with ego.
Yeah.
Every DJ have an ego. As much as him now getting a booking, he has an ego. So it's boiled down to his ego. So if he's gonna go up there and say, you know, me gonna entertain the ladies them tonight,
Yeah.
that's what it is. That's exactly what it is. But if a man come out and say, boy, tonight me I gotta just juggle, forget some money pull up, that's what it is. There is not a script to this thing. So anybody can do what they want to do. It's just
So what about doing the job properly? What DJ
Yes.
are supposed to do, like play for the general mass, not a individual set of crew or an individual set of clique, but play for the mass. Everybody was in the venue, because we see it over and over in the UK party.
Right now,
We see-
promote our ball right now.
We see a lot of DJ come and them play for the money man them, and then the woman them a ball. The man them who can come by them too, Magnum and Rare, they dance to them everybody, because remember this dancehall thing that we love, it's built up by a lot of different factions to make the dancehall what it is. You have the dancer them, you have the girl them where some people consider them as loose girl or careless girl because they're out at every event week to week. And you have some man we out all the time too, where some people categorize as loose people. Well, it's not my opinion. I don't categorize them as loose people, because dancehall have its players, and everybody who come to dancehall are valid in my opinion. So I think as a DJ you should cater to the general mass first.
Yeah.
Then if a segment communicate cater to an individual group or one or two song, fine.
I can make your money pull up there.
With anything that I have seen that is black dominant, not really putting on the black race, but it's a thing that each individual is gonna do what they're gonna do. So you can have an ideal society, an ideal idea, ideal opinion. Doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna work, to be honest. So
Yeah.
the money pull up thing, it just drafted in the hype thing. For before the money pull up, girl, it put buckle in them thing.
Yeah.
And I bag a something that go on, girl, I swallow magnum buckle. No for the DJ them never had bone it out. No for the people them never had say nothing. Lord Jesus God, but me I look still. So like,
Or maybe with the pass. Maybe it will just blow over and just pass.
Yeah.
I don't think this money pull up thing gonna be passed in England, because
until people broke, but
Why?
it'll work. It's work. Listen,
People broke, yeah.
until people broke.
I don't have a problem with it, but I think it should be proportionalized. It should not be
But
the
how
main
can
attraction
we?
of the party.
If
No,
you-
but
Because no, it come on, like sometimes you have 2 or 3 factions in a party, and this one is trying to outdo this one, and that one is, so the whole center of the party is drawn to that, and then the party end up be boring for everybody else. Like, me know we're broke and have my money, we can just buy 1 2 Magnum, and then
Easy.
but then I'm boring, you know, cause
well, you can look at
Yeah.
that two way.
yeah.
Seriously, you come at the wrong party and big up the DJ, come and make our money. You can,
No.
you understand the flip side of thing.
Yeah.
You have to be practical. Be practical.
All right, be practical, yes. But Wally British, I'm not sure if everyone know Wally British, but
Yeah.
a lot of people supposed to know Wally British.
Yeah.
She talk about a thing what there when me see it and I have to repost it because me I say a real talk.
Yeah.
Me, for instance, as a promoter, me keep an event where me book certain DJ and me have a lineup. Yeah? Me expect the DJ them to come make the people them enjoy themselves so me can make a money so them can get paid.
Yeah.
But at the same time, them a come out to try to play for money pull up. So me a go pay you if you come on my dance 4 o'clock in the morning, where me have 1 hour left to go and you just reach, but yet still they come for one play for money pull up for all of that time. People are complaining to them to enjoy themselves and me still have to pay you for that a short space of time where you show up on my event.
So
But at the same time, you still a look for money pull up. So you get basically triple pay.
well, I'm fine, let me just jump in on that topic for the moment. That's why the dancehall DJ is paid. So that's why they are so underpaid in the
Maybe
dancehall scene in London.
that is probably the
Because
problem.
here what? If you come on my party for also, if me they have in mind say say for instance me give you 400, me don't see money pull up at 2 money gone to, you know.
No, that
No,
the money pull up
The
not
money-
none for
the
that.
money-
That's
no,
a perks
no,
to
no,
the thing. You see what
No,
I'm saying?
no, that's
Should be.
a perks,
As
but
a
that's-
promoter,
that's
no.
how a lot of promoter look at it. That's why
No, that have
dancehall
nothing to do
selectors
with it.
is
But
very
what-
underpaid.
What I
And the
think should
timing when them
happen.
come out to party as well to play a set is not acceptable, because I feel like say a dancehall party have different gears, and since recent years I'm not seeing no gear, it's just one flat
It's just
gear.
one,
Them boy just
because-
put it in a highest gear, you can go and press gas.
That's
Can I,
terrific.
can I
But
just
this-
say something, Juvenile?
Alright,
Because
quickly
you're in
wrap
a
up with
business,
this.
you're in a business long time. See? And enough of them look at man who say them a DJ now can't start a party, you know? Because when them a reach, as me say, 4 o'clock, most party in the UK really start them hours there still. But
3 o'clock.
a be at them hours there, so a prime time situation, so them don't know how to really start a party. Personally. That's
Anyway.
how we me see.
All right, we get the views on that, right? So moving quite along. DJ Juvenile there, forensic. You have different sectors to your expertise. You also started a business. Tell us about the Vast Print side of the business. Before even Vast Print, we started at Real Talent.
Real Talent, yeah.
Talk us through the transition.
Real Talent started that I was going to give up being a DJ and go into the accountancy. So Real Talent started as my way to give back to music. I never have no stay, you know, so I play music and I get some money, you know, so I got to tell the truth. So like when I decided I got my qualifications, I'm going to go in the accountancy, like I said, like let me boss a couple of artists. So Jada Knights and Jakey was the forefront at the time. Yeah. So we're going to put some strength in them career and leave it there, sir.
Jada Knights who you, Jada Knights who you hold up money in you.
Yes.
Continue.
Yeah, so we started Real Talent, but we looked into merchandise because branding was everything. So we looked into the merchandise side of things, and it cost too much. So I was in Dubai, and I said, you know what, do it myself. So I was driving the bus at the time. So we buy up the machine them. I'm started just watch YouTube. So I'm going to learn for print.
And now?
5 years in, Vast Prints, we rebranded courtesy of my brethren, rest in peace to Ox.
Yeah.
You know, so we had him come from far, sadly passed away. We branded Vast Prints. I'm doing well, man, doing well. Like the community supported the whole transition, the movement, you know.
Because I can see, because I've seen the growth and I've seen the transition and I've seen the good days and the bad days, and it's the perseverance that really...
Yeah.
I actually admire the Vast Print brand to where it's coming from and to where it's now. And it's a tried and testament for people who, especially in our space, that it doesn't have to be the one route. It's here for everyone if you just decided to put yourself to something and just apply your time and your knowledge and just seek knowledge while you grow and develop. You can grow with your brand, because exactly that's what happened with your brand now. Because now it's not only me can't only call Juvenile for DJ, and me can't say, yo, you know, some want some shirt for brand up, and me can't say, all right, I hate that.
Let me just put a 2 cents on this. Like so we talk about the dancehall fraternity a while, and now you're going into the printing. Yeah. We have to put a lot of emphasis on this. Like you have to value your co-workers or the people in your expertise. Because remember time go by. Remember me do printing as well, and like I remember times go by, me over Juvenile every day, every Friday, we over there, we drink, we trade news, we watch some video on YouTube, we are trying to learn things.
We used to do Facebook
Live over there as well.
We are trying to increase the knowledge. I lie, I tell Juvenile, and
I don't lie.
I show you a lot of things, and you show me a lot of things. So it's all about live good and try increase our knowledge as a black community and support each other's business.
Definitely.
You get me? So we have tried the most of that, and it's a thing I would like that to rub off in the DJ industry, in the dancehall industry over here, to be honest.
But enough DJs do stuff. A lot of DJs are doing stuff. A lot of DJs.
No, I'm talking about the unity and the co-workership and how people live together and make things better. Like if you know something, don't mean to be selfish over there and say, all right, we know if they do Sirate, but now I tell Dr. Juvenile, no. I make him go out there and suffer.
Yeah.
Makes sense. And also, you also have a prominent radio show, as I said in the beginning of the interview. Madness Monday, which everybody knows
it's not your thing.
It's not my show. My show is a Saturday show. I like the Saturday show.
Yeah.
Me are the number one fan listener upon Saturday show. You don't even know, because I listen from a different account. But me drive, can't look at you guys school Saturday morning. I like that show there. And you know my reason for not liking Monday, but you know what?
Listen,
everybody for them own.
Born and bred in the ghetto.
Yeah.
I am what I am. Now, sometimes I might say some things that you may not agree with, or the songs are not clean. But I get to you. We can't come up. I am not going to be in the UK and switch and say, oh, you know, I'm not going to play this.
Those songs are forbidden.
Yeah. But I am going to say what I know.
Yeah.
And being at the dance hall, you play, you say some things, you talk up something. Madness Mondays is what kind of escalated the brand of Juvenile.
It does.
So, as I always put out the disclaimer, not everybody is going to like this show.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you're thin skin on your show, If you're easily offended on a your show.
Like last night you talk something.
Rick,
Last night
Yes,
you
sir.
talk
Hold on, Rick.
some things.
Man, Madness Monday have some die-hearted fans, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright, yes, so the last time me over them, I better go back about Juvenile now.
Them beat
Love
you.
on it.
Yeah.
It is what we're
Yeah.
ghetto youth. So the show represents ghetto. How me grow. Me
Yeah.
talk about how me grow. Me usually sell buckle. We usually sell skilling and time sky juice patty.
Yeah.
We talk about them stuff there. And
you
if,
mean?
yeah, with them on the sidewalk, you just start talk. We talk about the first little girl that give me the little thing. We
Yeah.
talk about these things. We talk.
Yeah.
It's
all the things them.
We talk the things. Yeah.
And people, if you don't know what we're talking about, he's on Mystic Radio every Monday from, is it from 8 until
8 to 10. Madness
It's
Mondays.
called
Yeah.
Madness Monday.
It's really mad.
Real madness go on. Bag of things talk up.
Never
So
get a better name feet.
if you're interested in that sort of thing, you know, you can join in. The people on the live as well. Good evening to my Facebook
Big
watchers
up to
as
Rick
well.
Facebook. I'm shared a couple of times.
Yeah. Good evening to Pens. Of course, so the select of them can't warm up. I don't know. Madness Monday crew them there to want to see.
Yeah, big up the whole of the Madness Nation.
No, the
big up the
Madness
crew in
Nation-
Sheffield. In Sheffield. I'll
That's
be
what
up
I'm
there
tell you.
soon.
You
Yeah.
tell her, Rick,
664 family, big up on
Madness
yourself.
Monday people and fight you. See them jump over upon the page there.
Him not beat the show, him I say.
No.
Sack the show of him, show.
I think sure now different strokes are different folk.
Okay.
Yeah.
See it.
Me like Madness Monday, you know, cause me don't know if
Jack on another side.
Brother, hear me I say, last night
Me
me
can't
laugh,
start the
me
show,
laugh.
cause sometimes Juvenile play some gospel, I'm not too like.
All right, let me just say this, right? You go on Facebook Live, everybody is a DJ with a laptop, have Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Now, everybody's playing music. To me, if you're not bringing nothing new, it's boring.
If you
If
not
you don't
bring
have
something to the
something,
table,
yeah.
it's
What's- what- yeah.
it need not to be new. If you
Yeah,
not
just bring something. So,
Yeah.
my show, me not say nobody else has said them things with me I say on Facebook.
No.
I think-
Nobody is so brave.
Yeah, nobody knows so brave. And it work. It work. Where people are say when me not like because I did the little knee operation, I haven't been on. People are message me. I said, Juvenile,
Yeah.
boy, Saturday, Monday, we don't have nothing to do, brother.
Yeah.
What go on?
One thing I must I don't know if it's an advice or is a critique. I think you should to do more of this live Madness Monday thing, like the live show. Like see like what you did.
Yeah.
I
The
think
one
that is.
in the club.
But
Yeah.
I think you just need to find a way where you can do it and do it for longer.
Well, in fairness, playing in a dance easy. Madness Monday's hard for playing live because you're dealing with people on the phone and you're dealing with people there. And not for the DJ them when we invite, them afraid to come on Madness Mondays.
Why?
You are one of the only person who forward and screechy 4K.
Invite.
No, me invite enough selector on Madness Mondays.
But hear me
The
say,
live one, the out one.
Invite we.
No problem.
Come here, go forward.
Yeah.
Enough of the
Like
people,
something.
I'm not even gonna lie. Like enough of the selector them don't turn up. Them say the show is infinity them on my dopes, the time because killer work.
Yeah.
And you know cut it now can't mix, so we can't leave the party.
Shots fired.
yeah.
Fuck up, dive.
Yeah.
Yo, Cutty can mix. Me say Cutty mix.
Yeah, but
Me never tell her like me never
Me
did.
say Cutty mix.
No, but I'm just saying like
Me
enough
never
other
did.
DJs I invite and they don't turn up. So for me to be there for 2 hours sometimes it's hard.
It's hard.
It's hard to because pack up the stuff them the phone now you know me run my teeth flight at Jamaica. Me have to run wire and this and that. Then I've got to play so sometimes you need a break.
Yeah.
You need a break. So for 2020 we want to do some more live ones because the last couple we done it was like mad. So,
take a little advice from me. I think you should do the live show them quarterly.
Yeah.
You have 4 quarters to a year. So if you do like 4 live show for the year, that's good. You could start it from there and then anywhere you want to propel it from there. Because like me never come on the last one. You know because
you never come on none of them.
me have things that me not come on that. Juvenile right now. Me busy. You know?
Rick, no like Madness Mondays and him there.
How many
Rick, hold on, Rick,
I didn't
hold on.
play.
Where was I when you was there?
Not there.
Somebody have, me there city. Somebody have to hold up the fort.
No, he wasn't there. He was a Monday night.
It's a Monday night. Me did the summer though, but Rick was there.
Yeah,
I know
you
me never
weren't
there.
there.
Yeah,
Like,
because
No, he did that. I went there. I think he didn't.
no, me did that city because there was an outside event there, so somebody did have to hold up the fort. It was that Monday.
and Fire Q is back on the road.
Yes.
So we might
Yes.
grace us with his present. at the next
Further
one.
on.
Me tell you,
Interviews.
invite me.
Yeah.
Of course, people. Forensic Juvenile here, and we give thanks for the strength, you know. Forensic, you have so many different names. DJ Juvenile,
It's
Forensic
Juvenile, man. Like,
So we just work with Juvenile.
Juvenile.
Right.
Forensic sound DJ Juvenile.
So,
but everybody just call me.
What next for 2020?
2020 Holy Pie, we have the new Madness Mondays logos out is out right now.
Show the camera up on the shirt, let me see.
Yeah, Holy Pie people, Holy Pie ladies, them like it.
So
Yeah.
I see you go first, you go hustle first, then you go plus.
Yeah.
Then now it's Madness Mondays. for
No, it's
2019.
still plus. When my friend passed away, we just had to just reevaluate life because he was a close little brother. When he passed, we just had to step back for a little bit. We
Just
take
right.
moments, we take times, we take things that we do and accomplishments, and we overlook it because we always thinking we want more. So when Joel passed, myself, Cove, we just stepped back for a little bit and just look at what we have done, what we three has done, because all we did up on the road at one stage in life,
Yeah.
and then we changed ourselves. I started DJing, then I went to the printing, then they did designing. So when Joel passed, it really hit me, and I just had to step back for a little bit and just reevaluate my life. And so now I'm just coming back out, and so the ideas are there again.
Yeah.
And we have more. We've been a lot of printing. Big up to Dan Bass, one of the first person who support me upon the journey when we start print. One of the first person.
Yeah.
And a lot more people, clientele. I've been just doing a lot of behind the scenes work, doing a lot of printing, hooking up people. Print expert family, big up yourself. Shish printing. Shh. Print.
Yeah.
Why you know?
So you know the thing. Some things are just behind the scenes. You're just putting some work. And
That's where it is right now.
So it's getting bigger and stuff like that. So we have new designs. Everybody been asking me for another fashion show because I did a fashion show a couple of years ago. So
And we did that too?
yes, you
Yeah.
were the host and
Of
thing. You know
course.
the
Say
thing.
that
Go.
too.
Of
Come
course.
support
Yeah,
the thing,
I
'cause you
can't
don't
remember.
know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's just a lot of things. It just
Dementia chippy.
Yeah, don't
Yeah.
think of that.
Of course.
Well,
Juvenile,
me them can't get along most of the time, you know.
yeah.
I saw it go.
I saw it go.
Which is right. FIFA, give thanks for this friend. Give thanks for watching.
Before we go, could you tell them your socials? Yeah.
Which one? All right. Facebook, Mark Forensic, Juvenile
Spell it for
Brown.
them. Spell it for them. Because you know that sound long, you know.
Mark Brown. You will see Mark, the Forensic Juvenile and Miggle.
That's MARKBRONK.
So,
Okay.
is
Yeah,
listen,
BRONK.
Mark Brown, yeah. Facebook send me say me can't use Forensic Juvenile. We have to make up a name. So Mark Brown is the name.
Why you can't
Yeah.
use foreign? Somebody take
Oh,
it
you have
already?
to, no, you have to use
No,
your name.
you have to use-
you
Or Facebook setup, you can't really use no
alias anymore. So for
I
yeah,
see.
Instagram.
Me no know
Forensic
how
DJ.
they let go me with my one.
No
I
talk,
don't
no
know.
talk so soon.
Depending on how long you have yours anyway.
My name on my Facebook and my name. Like, every-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But-
we need to do something.
Straight across the board.
Instagram, yeah, Forensic DJ. Snap, Forensic DJ. Big respect to the upper life, yeah. But like the work out there, big up on yourself, yeah.
Big up yourself.
And big up to my Madness Mondays people
Yeah,
that we check in.
yeah.
Big up to everybody that show some whole heap of
Straightness.
support. Because listen, not everybody supports you when you're doing something, you know.
Yeah.
So big respect to everybody who support Upnlive show. And the artists that may come through. 'Cause I remember when Upnlive show, they over one part of
Road
one
so.
fence and the one cellar.
Yeah.
And it never did hot and you know, so big respect, you see me?
That's true, man.
Alright, mad move.
Give
Mad.
thanks to the people. Forensic Juvenile was here. Definitely, please go and support his movement clothing line. So if you also want to get printing done, you know, he's the person controls everything. He's the man, of course. Remember, the show is sponsored by.
You know, Shush Print and the show was produced by World Mag Entertainment. So, people, we're here back next week
Yep.
from the hours of 9:30 till 11. Remember what I always say every week? When I say, read a book, them say brain power is the main power. Seeing?
Simple.
Peace.
And we're here from 9 o'clock, not 9:30. Yes, sir? Correction.
9:30, me say.
See it? Facebook people, keep it locked. Same way TGM is going to be here, but we're out for this week. Thank you very much. Peace.